Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was having so much fun at Grandma's house. She was coloring a big, bright picture. "Look, Grandma," she cheered, spinning around. Oops! Her elbow bumped Grandma's favorite teacup, and it wobbled. Then splash! Tea spilled all over the nice rug. Mimi's eyes got big. She saw the wet brown spot. Her happy feeling went away. Grandma looked at the mess. Mimi felt a little scared and embarrassed. She didn't say anything, just looked down at her shoes. Grandma knelt down beside Mimi. "Oh dear," she said gently. "It was an accident, wasn't it? Sometimes when we make a mess or someone feels sad, saying I'm sorry helps. It shows you care, and it makes your heart feel better too." Mimi thought about Grandma's words. It was hard, but she knew Grandma was right. She looked up at Grandma's kind eyes. "Grandma," she whispered, I'm so sorry I spilled your tea." Her tummy felt a little less squishy. Grandma smiled and gave Mimi a big warm hug. "Thank you for saying sorry, my sweet Mimi. I know you didn't mean to." Mimi felt a happy sparkle in her heart. Together they cleaned up the tea, and Mimi felt proud she did the right thing.